From a single vulnerability to the crown jewels in under 5 minutes. This is SCARLETEEL. To defend against a threat like this, we need sophisticated layers of defense and the speed to keep up. The attacker exploits an unpatched vulnerability and starts crypto mining, which is distracting because they're also over here, accessing credentials, escalating privileges, and using them to move to other accounts. If we don't stop them, they could ultimately steal our proprietary software, all in a matter of minutes. So it's clear, to stop an attack in the cloud, we have to move faster. And that's why the 555 benchmark matters. We only have 5 seconds to detect the attacker, 5 minutes to make sense of what's happening and prioritize, and 5 minutes to respond. Which in the case of SCARLETEEL means preventing the privilege escalation, removing excessive permissions, stopping the crypto miner, triggering a Falco rule to kill the container, and collecting all evidence for forensics. Cloud attacks are fast. Move faster with Sysdig.